Let's be honest about your training. You're probably putting in the work. You're hitting your chest, your back, your shoulders. You might even be one of the few who actually trains legs, but there is one muscle group that 99% of people in the gym are completely ignoring. And that muscle is your calves. You either skip them entirely or you just toss in a few half-hearted bouncy reps at the end of your workout, hoping for the best. And this is a massive mistake. It's the single biggest reason your physique looks unbalanced. All that hard work on your upper body just makes the chicken leg look even worse. It ruins the entire aesthetic you're fighting for. Now, most people just fall back on the same old lie. They blame their genetics. The fix is actually very simple. It just requires you to understand what you're training. And I'm going to show you both the calisthenics only path and the dumbbell path to fix this. You have to understand this. Your calf is not one muscle. It is a two-engine system. First, you have the gastrocnemius. This is that big, diamond-shaped muscle you see. This is your power engine. It's a fast-twitch muscle built for explosive power. But underneath that, you have the soleus. This is your hidden muscle, and it's the secret to real 3D thickness. This is your endurance engine. You cannot build impressive calves by only training one of these engines. You must train both. This is the single-leg body weight calf raise. Do not underestimate this. For many people, their full body weight on one leg is plenty of resistance. Here is how to do it. Stand on a step or block. Hold onto a wall for balance. Lift one foot completely off the ground. The only way this works is with a brutal, slow tempo. Let your heel drop all the way down for a 3-second stretch. Hold the stretch, then drive all the way up. Hold that peak squeeze for 3 seconds and control the negative for 3 seconds. Do 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. This is the seated bodyweight calf raise. Here is how to do it. Sit on a bench or chair with your knees at a 90-degree angle. Place your feet on a step. The resistance here is very low, so we must use insane volume and a hard squeeze. Push up, and at the top, squeeze your calves for 3 to 5 seconds on every single rep. This is about time under tension. Do 3 sets of 30 to 50 reps. It must burn. This is the standing dumbbell calf raise. Here is how to do it. Stand on the edge of a step with both feet. Hold a heavy dumbbell in each hand, letting them hang at your sides. Keep your legs locked and straight. Because you are stable on 2 feet, you can go very heavy here. The rules of control are the same. Deep 2-second stretch, hard 2-second squeeze at the top. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 heavy, controlled reps. This is the standing bent knee dumbbell raise. This is how we isolate the soleus while holding the weight. Here is how to do it. Stand on the step, holding your dumbbells. Now, unlock your knees. Bend them slightly to about 15 to 20 degrees and hold that bent position. By keeping your knees bent, you've just turned off the gastroc. Now, perform your calf raises. The range of motion will feel shorter and deeper in the calf. This isolates the soleus. Do 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps. And that's it. It's not magic and it's not genetics. It's just physiology. Now you have 2 complete paths, calisthenics or dumbbell, to fix your calves. Choose your path, stay consistent, and finally build the foundation your physique has been missing. Knowing this blueprint is the first step, but the real key to building a balanced physique is consistency and momentum. Don't stop here. I've linked another video on the screen. Click it, keep learning, and continue building your blueprint.